welcome back to my channel. Today I have a makeup tutorial for you guys where I'm gonna be using and reviewing and also swatching the new Etude House Play Color Eyes Big House palette. This is one of the most highly requested videos on my Instagram. If you guys haven't followed me yet, it's called Mongabong, so go and follow me over there. Some of you guys asked me to do some swatches and give you guys a makeup tutorial on how I would use it. This palette is super natural, really meant for those everyday kind of makeup looks. As you guys can see the colors over here, I'm gonna be creating a everyday no makeup type of look where I'm gonna just focus a little bit of brown because that's the primary color of this palette. That's it. I have been using it for the past 3 days and I love it. I never thought I would reach out so much to it, but I really did because I have been just going for a very easy, chill, casual look these days. This is really good for those of you who are beginners, who are starting out with makeup, and also people who just want to look for an everyday eyeshadow palette that is easy to carry around and it's affordable as well. So let's get started. So I'm gonna be using my by Ecom Cicahdation Calming and Relaxing Foundation. This one has very full coverage, but it also has a very nice dewy finish. Put a little bit and really thin it out to as much as I can because I don't want to, I don't want the look to look too heavy. So I'm just putting a tiny little bit and thinning it out. Concealer. This one is by Holika and I'm just applying it underneath my eyes. Not too much because like I said, we want it to be almost a no makeup kind of look. So I'm not gonna set my foundation yet. I'm just gonna let it sit for a while. And after this, let's move in with the brows. I've got quite bushy brows already, so I'm just gonna go in with the Etude House Brow Volumizer. This one is in the shade 02. I dropped it. These are the shades and they are all so beautiful. The first color I'm going in is this one because it kind of matches my top. I'm just applying it all across my eyelid. I generally love all of the Play Color Eye palettes from Etude House. You guys already know because I use them all the time in my tutorials and when I travel overseas because it's very affordable. The colors are very complementary to Asian skin tones and it's very easy to use and blend as well. So like I said, this palette is very natural. Probably not suitable for those of you who like to go in with smoky eye looks or heavier eye looks. These two colors, so the last one and the middle one, all across my lower lash, my lash line, so that you can kind of create a depth. This shade over here, so I'm gonna mix this color and this color. Last but not least, I really like it that they included 3 shimmery shades. I'm gonna choose the one in the middle and I'm using my fingers just to add a little bit of a shine. This one is more of a sheen rather than a glitter. And then I'm going in with this glitter over here, applying it at the back third of the eyelid. And you guys know the drill, going in with the first glitter color for my ABO style. So this is the eyeshadow look done. I'm gonna go in with eyeliner and mascara. So for eyeliner, I'm using my Lily by Red gel liner. I chose brown because this color theme is very brownish, so this is a perfect color to go for. And I'm just going in very lightly and very close to my natural lash line as possible. It's so close that you almost can't even tell that I applied any eyeliner. Without my mascara base today because we want it to be really natural and I'm a little bit nervous about not applying my mascara base because I literally never leave the house without it. This is Peripera's Ink Volume Curling Mascara and I'm just applying very lightly, just coating my lashes and also on the bottom lashes, but just a tiny little bit. We have the cookie blusher, also from the same range. This is in the shade BR401 Pink Brownie. I love the name of it, and it comes with a cute little puff. I think I'm not gonna use the puff, I'm just gonna use a brush like how I usually do. I like it, I like this color. It's a very beautiful mauve, pinkish brown color that is very complementary. Dear Dahlia lipstick. This is the Lip Paradise Intense Satin in 809 Kate. It's a very beautiful nudish fall color, so I'm just applying it. Love this lipstick. This is the finished look. Oh wait, let's contour a little bit, okay? Play 101 stick from Etude House just to contour a tiny little bit. Not too much, just the sides of my face and my jawline. A little bit of a highlight, Fenty Beauty, Kilowatt, and Mean Money and Hustler Baby. I'm just taking the sheen side because I don't really want like a lot of glitter on my face, because that would make it a little bit more unnatural. So this sheen is really good on days where you just want that glow from within kind of look, and you can apply it across your entire face, not only just the high points. And this look is complete. Okay, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to subscribe, like and share, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!